Hi, Zian. Say hi. Wow. Ziam is enjoying the pool. We are here at Oreo. Yeah. This is for a kiddie pool with slide. We are the only one here. But there are actually a lot of pools here. We have another, like a creek. And then there's another children's pool there. But we chose here. We're waiting for the others to come. Yeah. Are you enjoying it? Yes? Yeah. Say hello, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Say hello, Daddy. Say hello to Daddy. Come on. Oh, you sleep, you sleep. Go up. Say hello, Daddy. Careful. Hi, Daddy. Hi. Daddy. Hi. The pool is actually hot. Yeah, it's warm. It's not cold. There's a resto here. We just ate at the resto. Our room is 4th floor, room 403.